Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix downloaded fail in Chrome mobile. First of all, you can open the Chrome application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply swipe down at the top of the screen and you can check your internet connection at the top left corner of the screen. If your internet connection is stable, you will not find this issue, and if your internet connection is not stable, maybe the issue is your internet. And after this the issue is not solved, you can just simply update the Google Chrome app, and after updating the issue is solved. And the issue is not solved, you can just simply restart your device. After restarting, the issue is 100% solved. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.